Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video we are going to talk about the expert advisor that we are using for our trading. So guys, let's get started with the expert advisor. So before going to get the review of this expert advisor, so guys, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then you need to subscribe it because we do a lot of live streaming and I teach my subscribers that where they make mistakes, and you will learn a lot through the live streaming. So stay in touch with the live streaming videos. So press the notification button so that whenever I play any kind of live streaming, then you should get the notifications from my side. Okay guys, I want to show you the performance of the expert advisor for a few days, and you can see it here right now. You can see on the screen that how well it is working right now. So 50 50 50 50 50 50 50, that's the trades, all of the trades that belong for today. So you can judge that it works on Euro USD and Euro Canadian dollar. It works on only those two pairs. So now you can see how well it is giving us a profit. So let's go back and you can see 50 58.97, and it increased the lot size with the passage of time because we had a loss as well. So that's why it automatically closes the trade at a profit. Okay, 2.2850, and going back to the previous data, you can see 50 50 50 50 50. And guys, let's go further down so that we can further up so that we can see more trades that belong to 10th of April. So guys, on 10th of April, I was not able to review the video because I was quite busy with the other stuff. So that's why I'm going to review it right now. So you can see 50, 50, 50, 50, and 50. We got 50 and 1.55. Losing trade with minus 0.62, then 1.62. And then if we talk about the previous data, then 55 minus 36 positive, 0.50 positive, 0.50 positive, and going back, and then guys you can see that 36 36 36 1.36, two losing trades that were covered up with the profitable trade that was 1.18. So guys, I have just kept my laptop open all the time and it's working very fine. So when it goes above $20 loss, then guys, you know very well that I am already teaching you about the scalping, that how I am doing scalping, and you know very well about it. And when it goes above $20, then only I entered in the trade. But right now, if you look at the situation, then there was no need from today's to, if we go back to the previous data, there was no need of manual trading because it was automatically executing the trade. And also one of my subscribers also reviewed this expert advisor in my live streaming videos, that it's working pretty fine, and that's what I am showing you. You can see on the screen it's working pretty fine at our end, and you can see 50 50 50 35 36 36 1.59. and going back a little more so that we can see more, that we can see 50 50 1.38. so guys, this laptop is on 24 hours a day, and I don't know what is happening over there. I just watch at the trades after some time, and then I see if my trade is above a $20 loss or sometimes about $30 loss, then I take manual one trade. But overall, from many days, there was no need to do manual trading to cover up my losses. So overall, it's working pretty fine at my end, and you can see on the screen results 1.79 1.79. And guys, this is how it works, that you are really unaware what's going on, and simply it's giving you profit, and you are not even working for that one. That's running quite automatically at your end. So, but there are some days in Forex market when you need to do manual trading, and I have already shown you that how you can recover your losses based on the 1 hour chart by just doing scalping. So guys, set up the minimum loss lot like 0.01 and let this expert advisor run, and then you will come to know about the magic of this expert advisor. It also worked during the slow market movements very good, and when the market movements are quite high, then guys you can say that it can fluctuate a little bit, but overall then your manual trading can give you the benefit. So 50 50 50, and guys you can see now if you combine all these profits, then you will come to know that how well it is giving you the extra money at your pocket, and without any hard work it is giving you the money like 1.40 1.40 1.44. and mostly I am unaware of all this, and guys you can see series of profits. So overall guys, I'm very happy with the results with this expert advisor, And good thing about this expert advisor is this: it automatically executes the trades, and once you see that your trades are closed at your end, then only you should restart your MT4 terminal. Otherwise, you need to keep your laptop open for 24 hours and it will keep on executing the trades as per his own decisions. So overall, I like this strategy very much because it's working perfectly fine for me. So guys, if you are looking to get this expert advisor, if you are looking to get the trading system that we use for the manual trading, which is in the form of red boundaries, let me show you here. And you know very well, this is the overbought levels, this is the oversold levels. And if you don't know about this trading system, watch my live streaming videos, then you will come to know that about this trading system. So you can also use this trading system for the manual trading, and I will tell you above $20 you will have to do manual trading if it gives you a $20 loss. Otherwise, if there is no loss, then simply let the expert advisor work. So guys, if you are interested in getting the trading system, if you want to get this expert advisor, if you are looking to subscribe to my Forex Signal service, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, then for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please do like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.